Hey guys, here is a 42-inch Broan, Alaska close mount. Got this off of Facebook Marketplace today. $10. This fan, it's an antique brass. Has the Alaska wooden pull chain. Yeah, these were made by Broan and sold through Alaska. It's got GE vents. It's got stencil, oak stencil, plain. And there's the top. This fan's from 1986, so it's 38 years old. Definitely has that late 80s look to it. But yeah, this one is a low, medium, high one as well. We'll start off on low. And the blade brackets, they're the pretzel bracket design ones. Broan made the ones that were look like pretzel brackets, that's what they're called. Then there's also another version with different blade brackets, which was the Kmart version. But I think the Broan version was also sold at Kmart. And it's also got there's like little vents. Kind of hard to see, but there's like little vents for the motor. The motor is huge in this thing. It fills the whole entire housing. Pretty big. It's definitely got like some like marks and scuffs, but it's in really good condition. The bearings are basically silent. I didn't oil them or anything. It has a good spin down time as well. So there's low to medium. And with the low, medium, high, Alaskas and Casablancas. Basically those two brands were the only ones that did low, medium, high instead of the regular high, medium, low. But I think it's just something different and unique. And I'm gonna put this fan in the spot behind the Emerson back there, since it's basically like a hugger and it's small with no light kit, and will work good back there. Well, a decent amount of air. And we'll up to high. Has the slightest wobble, but nothing really. It blows a decent amount of air. It blows like a regular 42-inch hugger would. And this was basically like a regular, like brand new fan, like kind of like on the cheaper end side. Whenever this was back sold in Kmart. I probably will put this in my game room. I like how low profile it is. I'll turn it off. So yeah, that's it. Bye.